mean, I think San Diego just now became the most expensive place in the country to live. So, I mean, if you're living in an area that's like if you're like in Del Mar and your house is like 2,000 square feet right on the water, your home's worth $5 million, but the reconstruction cost is like $800,000. That's pretty typical, especially if your home's like 1,800 square feet when you're looking at it, because they're only looking at the square footage. They're not factoring in like how far you are from the beach, restaurants, schools, other factors in the area that like makes that market value $5 million compared to like just rebuilding the home.